So welcome friends, welcome to SEO full course in just 10 minutes. I want to cover SEO, complete SEO in just 10 minutes, and you can start your SEO journey right after watching this video. And you can start your own website, you can start your freelance business, or you can start an agency after watching, not after watching this video, but after watching this video you will have clear concepts about SEO, and you can learn it from YouTube, from my channel, and then grow yourself in SEO industry. So first of all, we will go through this first step of SEO, which is what is SEO. So you can say search engine optimization is the practice of improving your website's visibility and ranking against search engine result pages, which is called SERPs. For relevant keywords, this helps drive organic traffic to your website, ultimately increasing brand awareness, leads, and sales. The ultimate goal of search engine optimization is to increase sales by bringing quality traffic. Quality traffic means traffic with highest purchasing intent or buying intent. So why is this so important? Majority of online users rely on search engine to find information, and higher ranking in search leads to increased website traffic. And let me show you an example of SEO. What is SEO? Okay, so for example, if I search for what is best gaming laptop, for example, what is best gaming laptop, this is a keyword. A keyword which I use to search on search engine is called keyword or key phrase. Okay, you can see when I search on what is best gaming laptop, these results appear, and this PC gamer ranks number 1, PC Mag ranks number 2, Tech Radar number 3, Games Radar, and The Verge, Tom's Hardware. All these are ranking on top 5 of the search engine result pages. You can see the first one. Why this first one is ranking on Google? Because it has well optimized content according to the guidelines of Google or any search engines. If you do the same with Bing or Yahoo or DuckDuckGo, results it's same. And in the backend there is an algorithm which prioritize these websites for rankings. Okay, and this PC gamer has quality content, well optimized content, so that Google rewarded it the first position. So this is the basic concept of SEO. You can say this is SEO. He has done SEO very well, so that he is ranking number 1 for this high competitive keyword best gaming laptop. Okay, and then for example, a local bakery improves this is the example. We don't need to have because I already have given this. Google ranking factors and research algorithm. There are many algorithms and algorithmic updates each year, even every quarter. Okay, so you can see while Google's exact algorithm is proprietary, anyone have no knowledge, exactly knowledge about what actually Google's algorithm is. But experts have identified several key factors influencing search engine rankings, including quality, content, and relevance. Your website content should be high quality, informative, and relevant to your target audience needs and search intent. For example, if someone is searching for best gaming laptop, it means he wants a list of best laptops. Even there may be top 2 best laptops, top 5 laptops, but if someone asks for best gaming laptops and you provide gaming laptop under 200, then that is not relevant. Okay, so you have to be highly relevant with the intent of user or searcher. Okay, then on page optimization is another factor. This is the key factor. Implementing the SEO best practices you will learn later on this course. Okay, so I'll be creating a detailed video about on-page optimization with practical work. I'll be showing you how I ranked many websites using only on-page SEO by building topical authority. Okay, topical authority means you have to be authorized in any particular topic. Google will consider you a authority in any particular niche or topic. Okay, so on-page optimization, let me show you on-page optimization techniques. You can see this is a website. For example, let me take PC Gamer as an example, and you can see on-page optimization means he has targeted the main keyword in the title. This is the best practice for on-page optimization. Okay, best gaming laptops in 2024. This is also an example of also you can see best gaming laptop. The keyword is also in the URL. Okay, this is also a good practice. Then you can see best gaming laptops in the first paragraph, okay. And then all he has compared six different laptops, okay. Then some other laptops with good user interface, okay. So you have to copy his layout if you want to rank well, because Google is rewarding this UI and this on page optimization. So you have to copy him if you want to rank higher on Google, okay. Then high quality backlinks are also a good ranking factors. High quality backlinks from other legitimate websites, relevant websites, okay, signal authority and trust to search engine. Backlinks works as a vote, okay. If 10 people votes for you and 2 people votes for your friend, then you are more authoritative than him. And Google works similar. Google will rank you instead of him because you have more votes than him. So this is the exact strategy Google uses to rank websites on the top of Google, okay. User experience, for example, website speed, mobile friendliness, and user engagement also pays. If your website do not loads within 4 seconds of clicking it, then you are going to lose 40% of your traffic, because according to a research 42% people leaves your website if it doesn't loads within a 4 seconds, okay. And then we will move on to niche research. In SEO, if someone wants to create a blog, then niche research is a topic for his consideration. You can say, what is a niche? Niche is a specific focused area within a broader market. It is the category in which you want to work. For example, if you want to create a blog on laptops, then laptops is your niche. If you want to drill down to Mac laptop, to Lenovo laptops, then that is called niche, okay. So keyword research is backbone of any SEO campaign. Keywords mean the phrases which people you can see, this is the keyword people uses to rank, uses to search on search engines, okay. And keywords are the words and phrases users enter into search engines to find information, okay. Keyword research strategies, you have to use keyword research tools like Keyword Planner or Ahrefs or SEMrush, okay. I'll put the link of SEMrush in description, and please check it out if you want to start SEO as a business, okay. And then I search volume in a competition for relevant keywords. For example, if I've created a brand new website, and if I want to rank for what is best gaming laptop, then I can't, because I haven't any authority in Google's eyes. To rank a new website, I need to focus on low competitive keywords. This is high competitive keyword, so that you can see domain authority of 89 is ranking, 92 is ranking. You can't see any website with less than 20 DA, okay, or authority score. Authority score, DA, DR, these are some matrices of tools to determine the strength of a domain in Google's eyes, okay. So you don't have to bother initially. And then we will have on page SEO. I have covered. Technical SEO means for speed optimization, ensure your websites load quickly in all devices. Mobile friendliness should be mobile optimized for because more than 60% of people come to your website from mobile, so you have to create a website with mobile friendliness or mobile responsiveness. Then robots.txt and assignment. Robots.txt file tells the Google that which pages of my website should be crawled and which or not, okay. Sitemap is used to structure the URLs and categorize them, okay. These are some easy things. So this is all about SEO in 10 minutes, okay. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope you have learned it out.